In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to get personalized anime recommendations and create a custom watchlist to track your progress. Let's get started. I start by setting a specific persona for ChatGPT, asking it to act as my personal anime recommendation assistant to help me find new series based on my specific tastes and moods. The AI confirms it is ready to help and suggests several details I can provide, such as preferred genres, tones, pacing, and themes, to help narrow down the perfect list for me. Now, I'm asking for 10 psychological thriller recommendations, specifically noting that I've already seen popular titles like Death Note and Attack on Titan to ensure the suggestions are fresh. ChatGPT generates a curated list of dark, high-stakes series including Monster, Paranoia Agent, and Serial Experiments Lane, providing a brief description and why each one fits my criteria. These recommendations focus on psychological tension and complex characters while avoiding titles I've already watched, offering a great mix of well-known classics and underground gems. Next, I want a way to track what I watch, so I ask ChatGPT to create a reusable anime watchlist template with specific columns for things like status, episode counts, and personal ratings. The AI quickly builds a clean table followed by a helpful guide on how to use each field effectively. It even includes a sample entry using the series Monster to show exactly how the tracker looks in practice, making it easy to copy and paste into my own notes. Now I have a professional-looking template ready for my next binge watch. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.